Well, tonight's agenda is pretty straightforward. We're going to demonstrate a clear stargazing activity. So we shall have a planetarium show followed by some food, and then it'll be dark enough for us to go outside and do some stargazing under the clear dark skies of Snowdonia.
So we're really pleased to host a stargazing event here. I found it really easy to set up and to get interest for, so it's currently completely full, which is nice, and it's just good to be able to share what we've got here and our dark sky status in the national park. So we're looking forward to doing some more events in the future.
Mae'r golygfeydd, mae ymwelwyr ar ardal yn gallu weld fi nos yn ardal Eryri a thu hwnt yng Ngweddill Gwynedd yn anhygoel. Felly mae gallu cael nosweithiau fel hyn sydd yn cael ei rhedeg ar gyfer busnesion iddyn nhw cael gwybod mwy amdan y dynodiad Awyr Dywyll a beth yw'r manteision iddyn nhw fel busnesion i hyrwyddo gwybodaeth am y cyfleoedd ychwanegol yma i ymwelwyr ddod i brofi'r ardal.
Tonight it's getting dark a little later simply because we've gone well past the spring equinox now, and so the constellations that are going down in the west are the winter ones, and the spring ones are now high in the sky. So we've got Leo, we've got Virgo, we've got Cancer, we've got Hercules rising, we've got a constellation called Bootes. Many of these things go back to ancient Welsh tales anyway. And right in the middle of them all at the moment is the planet Jupiter as well, which is about 2 weeks past opposition. So at the moment it's a very good night. We're in an ideal place, just situated in the foothills of Snowdon here at Llyn Gwynant.
Dwi wedi dysgu dipyn am seryddiaeth. Dwi wedi bod yn androsffodus i weld Jupiter. Mi oedd hynny'n ddiddorol iawn ar 4 lleuad o'i hamgylch i lle, a bigo fyny ar y sosban ac ati lle. Yn bendant, dwi'n teimlo bod angen mwy o bethau fel hyn i hybu twristiaeth yma yng Ngwynedd, gwneud y mwyaf o beth sydd gyda ni yn amlwg, a yndi, mae'n ardal dywyll iawn, felly ia, mwy.